Welcome to a tutorial on how to upload documents. There are different types of documents that can be uploaded. In essence, the system will accommodate uploading just about any file extension or type of document, but only certain ones are viewable in the preview windows, which are predominantly the Microsoft base, which is the Word and Excel documents. And the other document type which is viewable in the preview windows is the PDF documents. All other documents will be available for download by the user, but they will not be available in the preview screen. So let's go to how we upload a new or create a new document. We'll start here. We will capture the document name. For this purpose of this example, we'll call it new document 24. Your category, your type, and your process, and everything you will select, or the user will select according to what the requirements of that document are. In this instance, what we're going to do is we're going to upload a Word document of multiple pages. Okay, and we're going to add a default header that we've already added into the system and preset. So our original document does not have a header or a footer, and we will add the default header. As mentioned, documents that can be uploaded include Word, Excel, any type of document that you want, and various documents have different encryption types. You will utilize these functions here, where you can create an uncontrolled copy. The system will automatically create a copy of the document with uncontrolled on that document. If it's an Excel spreadsheet, it will write uncontrolled across the front of the spreadsheet. If you'd like to add the default header, you will apply these buttons here. If you would like documents locked from a security perspective, you can utilize these features on the right hand side, and this will allow you to set various permissions with regards to that document. From a, you don't want the user to be able to open it without a password, allow read only, whatever the case is, and these particular ones are applicable to a Word document only. Excel carries its own set of permissions, as with a PDF document, etc. So getting back to the upload, once we get this sort of message, it's ready for upload. Please complete the other document details. We have gone through and we have checked what we want for this particular document. We then go and upload the document. On its way to being uploaded, system will automatically generate a revision number. It will check the document security. It'll do everything that we require, and any properties of that document which will be used in the future. Alright, moving to the next screen, we can link a document to multiple ISO clauses, standards, contexts, points. Okay, and all we do is we just go through and we say, right, this particular document, we want linked to these particular points. I'm just selecting at random, so please don't take what I'm selecting as any form of connected information. Alright, so you can basically link that document to any ISO standards, any clause, and any point, which can be utilized further down the line from an auditing perspective and also from a document search perspective. All documents can also be linked together. So in this instance, for this purpose of this example, we would like to link this document to this document which is already in the system. So we now have this new document that we are uploading. It is linked to this document, and it is linked to these three specific ISO clauses and points. We now need to add our keywords, which are meta tags, which in essence are used when searching for particular documents. So if we put in a particular keyword, we can then search by that keyword, and the system will retrieve all documents with that particular keyword enclosed. Okay, so we'll save the tags. We then move to the next screen. So we've now linked a document to everything that we want. We now put in the workflow. In this instance, we will select, in this system, I am the services manager. So for ease of reference, we will set myself as the reviewer, approver, and controller. You literally select the role, you select the date that role needs to be completed by, and you will save the workflow. Now what will happen is, as we get to the end of this document, the system will automatically send a task to the services manager saying, please review this document on this date. It will send a notification to them via email automatically, and this is how people are notified of the particular documents that require their attention. The next screen will take us to how often the document needs to be revised and by whom. Okay, the user will then select the specific users of that document. Okay, along with the planned distribution date, anything like that. What we've got is we've got filter criteria here. So if you have a long list of employees, you're able to filter by position. Once you selected the users that you would like to have access to this document, you basically add select as users, and they will appear on the right hand side, and we can then remove them or leave them as we wish. And basically that is it from the document setup perspective. So we have uploaded a document, we have set all the relevant criteria, and the document is now at the point of requiring reviewer feedback. Please refer to the reviewer to publish process tutorial to follow on to the next step.